Thinking of using your Monese card while traveling? Worried about ATM fees and whether it will even work? You're not alone. The last thing you want on your holiday is to get hit with unexpected charges or find out you can't get cash when you need it. The good news is, yes, you absolutely can withdraw money abroad with Monese. A Monese card is a contactless MasterCard debit card, which means you can use it to withdraw cash from ATMs anywhere in the world where MasterCard is accepted. It's designed to be a great travel companion, so you can access your money wherever your adventures take you. But here's the thing you need to know: the fees for these withdrawals depend on which Monese plan you have. They've got a few different options: simple, classic, and premium, and each one comes with a different set of features and allowances. With the simple plan, which is free to have, there's a fee for every ATM withdrawal you make. With the classic plan, you get a generous free monthly allowance for ATM withdrawals, and with the premium plan, your ATM withdrawals are completely free with no limits. So, before you jet off, it's a good idea to check your specific plan details in the Monese app to see what your allowance is. And what about the exchange rate? Monese uses MasterCard's wholesale exchange rates, which are known for being very competitive. This means you'll be getting a great value for your money when you convert it into the local currency. Just remember, as with any card, when you're at an ATM, always choose to be charged in the local currency to get the best rate. Don't let the machine do a dynamic currency conversion for you, as that can lead to a less favorable rate. So, in short, Monese is a solid choice for travel. You can get cash from ATMs worldwide, and you have different plans to choose from that cater to your travel habits. Just be sure to check your plan's specific limits to avoid any surprises. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.